Good evening, volleyball fans. Masantos, Yalabi, at Sikay namin, Pangasinenses. We are still live here at Alaminos City Gym kung saan matutunghayan na natin ang Game 4 here in the men's division in the Western Conference of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. For our fourth game, matutunghayan natin ang bakbakan between the Municipality of Dasol having 1-3 standing versus the Municipality of Bolinao having 2-2 standing. So parehong teams ay nanggaling sa pagkatalo kahapon. Kaya for sure, mas nag-prepare sila mula sa kanilang defensive play, attacks, and also sa kanilang teamwork sa loob ng court. Kaya volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our page and i-comment nyo na sa comment section kung sino ba sa tingin nyo ang makakakuha ng victory for this fourth game. Is it Team Dasol or is it Team Bolinao? We will see and watch that later, volleyball fans. This is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph.
Welcome back and good evening, everyone. We are live here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. As always, we'd like to thank all our live viewers for your continued support of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament. Whether you are cheering from inside the venue or watching online, we are grateful to have you with us.
We also extend our heartfelt appreciation to our beloved Governor, Ramon Monmon Bigwico III, whose dedication to promoting sports excellence continues to inspire athletes and communities throughout Pangasinan.
This tournament has become a wonderful celebration of talent, teamwork, and provincial pride because of his vision and leadership. Our next men's division matchup features Team Dasol and Team Bolinao.
Both teams are looking to bounce back after suffering defeats in yesterday's games. For the Sol, today's match presents an opportunity to regroup and show
That it show the determination that has carried them throughout this tournament. Likewise, Team Bolinao is eager to make the necessary adjustments and return to the winning column. Whenever two determined teams meet after difficult losses, fans can expect a match filled with grit, resilience, and non-stop effort. Every rally will matter. Every point will be contested, and both squads will undoubtedly leave everything on the court.
Good luck to both teams as they battle for a crucial victory in this evening. I am Joseph Soriano together with my partner Maria Victoria Ferrer, and we're honored to bring you another exciting volleyball match here at the Governor's Cup.
between your team, the municipality of the Sur and the municipality of Bulinaw. Our national referees for this match, we have Sir Frederick Magpali. And our second referee, we have Sir Christian Campini. Players, coaches, and technical officials, best of luck and keep the ball flying.
You are still watching us live here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. This is the battle between Team Dasol and Team Bulinaw. First 6 for Team Bulinaw, jersey number 18, 12, 3, 1, 7, and 4. First libero for Team Bulinaw is jersey number 9.
First 6 for Team Dasol, jersey number 8, 9, 17, 15, 4, and 7. First libero, jersey number 12. Mendoza sets it to Gripper right away, and first blood for Team Bulinaw.
Middle attackers kagad ang ina-activate dito ni Mendoza, partner.
Yes, and feeling ko gustong-gustong bumawi ng dalawang teams na to for tonight.
Aseo.
They are activating the middles right away.
And we are tied at 1. Buaga. No, that's Balawing. Castolero. Benedy. Mendoza to Castolero. And that is outside. Point for Team Dasol. Greg. Service error there for Greg Balawing. Serving jersey number 3, Castolero. Aseo. To Benedy. Andun ang libero.
Free ball. Mendoza sets sa opposite, and no coverage there on the part of Team Bulinaw.
Buaga.
What a powerful attack there by Gamueda.
Gripo now serving. Aseo.
Good ball. Mendoza sets it to the open and back-to-back points for Gamueda.
For serving 3. Gripo. Aseo. To Pido. Pido breaks that block. Benedy. To Gamueda. Weak point. Five serving 4 now. Kaangay serving. Aseo.
Miscommunication on the part of Team Dasol. Service error for Kaangay. Serving jersey number 15, Pido. 1-2 play, works for Mendoza.
Gamueda. Aseo to Calamno. Castolero blocks that one, partner.
Yes, and a 3-point lead here.
Gamueda still serving. Padero receives that one.
What a quick attack there by Solis.
An early timeout for Team Dasol.
This is a 4-point lead.
Gamueda still serving. Aseo to Greg.
Good ball.
Aseo to Greg. Drop ball but that doesn't work.
Still serving, Gamueda. Aseo, Chausta. One by Castolero. Sinet kay Greg. Andan si Gamueda. Mendoza to Castolero. And that is inside.
Six-point lead for the team Bolinao. 11 serving 5. Gamueda still serving.
That goes out.
Calamno. Mendoza to Solis. Team Bolinao is hype on that attack coming from jersey number 12, Solis. And a service ace for Team Bolinao. Solis. Aseo.
One hand set to Greg and point for jersey number 8.
Aseo. Mendoza. Too low.
Yes, mababa yung set na yon. 5-point lead. Still Aseo. Andun si Castolero. Combination play.
Receive mo, palo mo.
Yes.
Point for Castolero there. Mendoza now serving. Aseo to Buaga. Mendoza to Calamno. No, that's Kaangay.
Let's wait for the call. And the call will stay with Team Dasul.
Greg Balawing. Kaangay. (15 serving 9). Lamang po ang Team Bolinao. Jersey number 3 serving. Castolero.
That is outside.
Buaga. Castolero. Mendoza to Gamueda.
And there's a check ball. Substitution here. 1 out, 14 in. Seo, back set kay Benedy. And he is now on the service zone. Mendoza, quick set. Camueda pushes that one to zone 1.
Brainy attack coming from jersey number 7. Kaangay. Andun si Benedy. Tupido. Pido gets that point, partner.
Substitution. Pido out, Sanggalang in. Good serve. Mendoza to Gamueda, but that's too wide for the captain.
Sanggalang.
Service error committed by jersey number 2.
Gamueda.
Good reception to the middle. Yan ang mangyayari kapag merong magandang first ball. And Calamno says sorry to jersey number 3, Castolero. And he is okay now.
Calamno now on the service zone. Mendoza to Solis in the middle. Sanggalang dives for that. Castolero and gets the point. Solis serving.
He receives that one. And a regalo. Again, andun yung libero. Benedy will set it to Greg. Itaas. Castolero with the help of the net. Aseo will set it to Greg, but let us wait for the call. Tinawag po ng ating first referee ang dalawang line judge. And there is no check ball daw. So point for Team Bolinao.
Aseo now serving. Castolero gets that ball. Castolero asking for that. And Team Bolinao will have a 6-point lead, 21-15.
Six-point lead here. Huwag po kayong aalis dahil ang susunod na laro po natin ay Team Swal versus Team Alaminos City. Fourth game na po ito for men's division. Mendoza receives that one. Free ball. Rainbow ball. Mendoza isiset kay Kaangay. Andun si Aseo. Sanggalang, but hindi may tatawid ang bola sa kabilang court. Aseo chases Balawing. And a score for Greg Balawing. Substitution. Babalik na si Pido and Sanggalang will sit down.
Greg. To Gripo. What a powerful middle attack. Team Bolinao are 2 points away for winning this set. 23 serving 16. Castolero. Aseo. Tupido, ginawa ng paraan. Mendoza. Tugamueda. Breaks through the block. Point for Team Bolinao.
And Bolinao is now at set point. Greg will set it to Pido. And then si Gamueda, Mendoza to the open. Greg is there. And not over for jersey number 15. And nanalo po ng first set ang Team Bolinao, 25-16.
Balik po tayo sa laro, mga kabalian. This is the set 2 of game 4 of men's division. Bolinao versus Dasol. Mendoza for the first serve. And Team Dasol gets the first point. Sanggalang serving. Mendoza to Castillero.
Sanggalang couldn't handle that powerful attack by Castolero.
Stolero. Aseo.
Saved. Free ball for Team Dasol. Aseo will set it to Greg. Antonio Libero. Gripo will set it to Gamueda. Greg was there. Back set and Benedy gets the point.
Mendoza kneeling set to Gamueda. Andun si Aseo. Sanggalang to Balawing. Greg Balawing through the block.
Mendoza sets it to Gripo. Good side out.
Serving jersey number 1, Solis. Aseo. To Benedy. Mendoza. Kaangay. That is a point for Team Bolinao. We are tied at 3. Gripo.
No check ball there. So another point for Team Bolinao. It's a 3-0 run here. Rotational error for Team Dasol.
And a 2-point lead for Team Bolinao. 5 serving 3. Gripo still serving. Aseo. To Greg. That is not over. Point will be given to Team Bolinao.
Aseo to the middle. Gripo. Mendoza one-hand set to Gamueda. And timeout for Team Dasol.
Still serving jersey number 1, Gripo. Sanggalang, Aseo. To Benedy. That will be a point for Team Dasol. Courtesy of jersey number 17.
Mendoza. Ginawa ng paraan ni Gamueda. Aseo will set it to the open and Greg Balawing gets the point.
Benedy, Mendoza, to Gamueda.
Palitan ng malalakas na palo dito sa ating set 2.
3-point lead for Team Bolinao. 8 serving 5. Aseo to Greg. Off the block. Greg. Mendoza 1-2 play. Gamueda. Aseo 1-2 play. Andun yung libero. Solis drop ball. Sanggalang.
And that is inside. Smart play there by Sanggalang. Sharp serve. Castolero. Aseo to the middle. Mendoza want to play. Andon si Benedy sa likod. And that is outside.
Solis serving.
Service error for jersey number 12. Mendoza itataas, pero free ball for Balawing. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Bolinao.
Aseo. Mendoza to Castolero. Mendoza now serving for Team Bolinao.
Aseo back set to Sanggalang, but he is blocked. Balik sa tatlong kalamangan ng Team Bolinao. Aseo sets it to the open. And point for
Benedy Balawing. Sanggalang. Serves that out. Point for Team Bolinao. Lead back to 3. Castolero. Greg. Andun si Castolero.
serving jersey number 9, Buaga. Mendoza, back set kay Kaangay. No check ball there. Tinry niyang i-swipe yon sa blocker. Buaga. Mendoza to Gamueda, and Gamueda is blocked. And we are now tied at 13. Timeout for Team Bolinao. Huaga. Mendoza to Gripo, blocked. Andun si Kaangay. And net violation there for jersey number 17. Substitution. 1 out, 14 in.
Serving jersey number 14. That will go out. Point for team Dasol. Benedy, Castolero, Mendoza to Gamueda.
Big side out.
One point lead for Team Bolinao. 15 serving 14. Greg. Hindi na may tataas ang bola na iyon.
Deadlock at 15.
Pidoin, Sanggalang, out.
Jump serve. Mendoza backs it kay Gamueda, and that is inside. Substitution. Double sub. Mendoza out, Carranza in, Bauzon. No, Kaangay out, Bauzon in.
Gamueda. Aseo Tupido. Andun si Bauzon. And Castolero gets that point. Team captain serving.
Error for jersey number 7, Gamueda. Serving, Calamno. Received by Castolero. Ibibigay sa kanya ni Bauzon. And another score for Castolero. Substitution, babalik na si Gripo.
Solis now serving. Aseo. Balawing gives a free ball. Castolero. And that will still work for Castolero. 3-point lead for Team Bolinao. Solis. Aseo. Tupido.
Tinaas. Free ball for Team Dasol. Aseo will set it to Pido, and he converts.
Serving jersey number 2.
Back set to Carranza. Doug.
Off-speed attack by Pido. Castolero. That will
That
go
is
outside. Aseo. Bauzon. To Castolero.
Pinabawi kaagad siya ni Bauzon. Babalik na po si Mendoza and Kaangay.
Two-point lead here for Team Bolinao. Mendoza serving.
Should serve. Aseo chases. Balawing andun si Gamueda. Mendoza will set it to Castellera and Castellera is blocked.
Pido. Mendoza to Castolero.
No check ball. We are tied at 20.
Pido. Mendoza back sets to Castolero. Aseo to Greg. Pushes that one.
Chance
Good
ball for
ball.
Team Dasol. Aseo itataas para kay Greg, pero
Net violation.
right lamang ng isa dito, Team Dasol. And that is a service error. A deadlock at 21.
Castolero.
And a service ace for jersey number 3.
Benedy is blocked.
Tied at 22. Mendoza sets it to Gripo. Good ball and point for jersey number 1. Surveying jersey number 1, Gripo. Aseo will set it to Greg. Andun si Gamueda. Mendoza itataas para kay Gamueda. And Gamueda gets the point. We are now at match point. Batasol will call for time.
Serving for the match, jersey number 1. Gripo. Aseo. Balawing to Greg. Hindi pa po tapos ang second set. Benedy. Mendoza to Solis. And that ends our game. Congratulations to Team Bolinao and also to Team Dasol giving a great game for this match.
Huwag po kayong alis dahil ang susunod po natin ay ang last game. Team Swal versus Team Alaminos City.
Pangasinan.
Ikaw nga, hindi ka sumasama. Picture lang kami ka. Thank you. Dan Giovanni katama yan. Hindi, Gambito Giovanni.
It was an intensifying fourth game in the men's division of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. Nakita natin mula sa Municipality of Dasol na hindi naging maganda ang kanilang start. Medyo nakukulangan sila sa kanilang depensa. But after the first set, kitang-kita natin na talagang naging composed and nagkaroon sila ng chemistry sa loob ng court. Kaya naman naging maganda ang kanilang game between Team Bolinao. While Team Bolinao naman, kitang-kita natin ang kanilang consistency from their floor defense, blockings, and also sa kanilang powerful attacks coming from all the players of Team Bolinao. Kaya naman, kanakuha ng Municipality of Bolinao ang victory ngayong fourth game, and still congratulations for Dasol for giving us a good game. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the Municipality of Bolinao. Player number 3, Juan Francis Castolero, having 8 attacks, 1 block, and 1 ace. So, congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. So, nakita naman natin na naging dikit or naging intense ang game ninyo with Team Dasol nung second set. So, paano nyo pa mas inangatan or mas in-improve yung game ninyo sa second set na yun para makuha yung panalo?
Sa akin po, wala akong masabi, boss.
Or paano na lang yung naging, yung big factor kung bakit nakuha nyo yung panalo?
Big factor. Nagtitraining po kami ng nagtitraining kami araw-araw. At lesson learned din yung pagkatalo namin kahapon. Yun lang.
Totoo, dapat gawin nating lesson yung pagkatalo natin. Dapat mas ma-motivate pa tayo para mas magawa pa natin yung best natin sa loob ng court. So after this game, since 3-2 standing na kayo, paano nyo i-maintain yung game ninyo sa loob ng court?
Ano po? I-improve po namin yung depensa tapos sa mga palo. Yun lang.
So, sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or i-shoutout? Or kung ano man yung gusto mong sabihin sa mga supporters ninyo?
Shoutout po sa pamilya ko na nanonood at shoutout kay Mayor namin sa Bulinaw. Tapos shoutout po kay John Lexter Carrasco and kay Dan Giovanni Katabay sa coach namin and shoutout sa buong team namin. Yun lang.
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, dito na nagtatapos ang ating fourth game in the men's division. But stay here in our page dahil meron pa tayong last game for tonight. Again, this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.